Hello, my name is Thomas from Anemo Engineering and I'm going to present to you the S-Clamps product range. To start with, we have 4 different kinds of clamps. You have the Latch Clamps, you have the horizontal down action clamps, the vertical down action clamps, and here the straight line action clamps. As you can see, these clamps have been specially designed to be very ergonomical. The hand grips are specially designed for this. For example, with the latch clamps, you have also very small clamps to a very large one, like this one, which has almost 34,000 Newton of tensile strength. You have also some latches equipped with a secondary lock, which you need to pull here first, and then it opens. When you close it, you can shut it like that. With the horizontal down action clamps, it's a horizontal clamp, and when it goes up, then down. These are the vertical, which move up like this. Then you have the straight line action clamps, which move like this. Now all of these clamps are available in stainless steel, which you can download here from our catalog on anemo.eu, to which you then have the special section of the stainless steel catalog. Thank you for listening.